tired to check. I think it looks fine. So I just dropped off the 3 orders. Hopefully I don't get hit by an acorn. We're gonna see if they have it open over here. Is this a historical church as well? I parked in a church because I can't even get in over there. But that's okay. So I was thinking, oh, there's a pig. Oh jeez, there's a pig. We lost a pig. It's so cute. Anyway, so I'm waiting for another order, and of course they're trying to send me somewhere else. So, and I knew I already passed one cemetery, so I checked to see if there was any other cemeteries. Hi, baby! And there's 3. This is one of them, and then they also have another one. Hi, baby! I don't know if I should go near it. Hi! Aww, they're so cute!